Good morning from Kerala. I wanted to share with you morning face yoga and face massage. Our morning rituals are important in Ayurveda, the Dinacharya, and one of those rituals is preparing the skin and also looking at the sense organs. So we're going to prepare the skin this morning, wash my face, no makeup on, and applied a little bit of face oil. And now I'm going to use a little bit of aloe vera gel. You can use whatever you can, but please make it as natural as you can find it to reduce the toxic overload on our skin. Why would we want to put chemicals on our skin? So we're going to start by massaging. Now, with our massage, we're wanting to lift up and out. As we age, the face wants to obviously draw down and in. So we want to lift up and out. So let's just start with massaging along the zygomatic arch or the cheekbone. Now, I'm quite passionate about this, not from entirely a beauty perspective, but let's face it, we all want to have youthful skin and a smooth face. But what this does is massaging your face actually stimulates your vagus nerve. And there's a lot on my channel about the vagus nerve, so check that out. And that causes stimulating or toning the vagus nerve, helps us relax. So maybe it's through face massage that we can calm our nervous system. Okay, with that same up and out motion, let's come to the jaw line. So we're going up and out, up and out. And the face has muscles. So why would we not treat these muscles as well as we treat our other muscles of our body? So up and out in a circular motion. I want you to feel along the jawline as you come back. And while you're doing this, take some nice deep breaths. And then find the thumb and the index finger and press along your jawline. And you can even just shape the contour to the back of the mandible here. So your actual jaw, if you want a little bit of jaw anatomy here, is up around just opposite the tragus, that little flap of the ear. You can open and close your mouth and feel your jaw. So just down from the joint, we're coming behind. There's a little, hopefully a little gap there, a little space. You might only be able to get one finger. You could get 2 fingers. You could even get 3, but massage back under there. So again, take the thumb, run along the jawline and get right up behind that mandible. So we're literally shaping the jawline. And you might be wanting to take the fingers, see what's right for you. But we're shaping the jawline up and even to the back of the ear. You might find a few tender points there, particularly if you are a clencher at nighttime. So I like to do this in the morning because I have a bit more time. And also, if I've been clenching at night, it just helps release those muscles. And smile. We're really shaping our face. And as we smile, rather than frown, we shape our face. And I'm not talking about the false smile, but just a sense of inner contentment, inner peace. That all-knowing smile of the Buddha. Okay, so a little more gel. And let's move into the forehead. So first is tapping. And then massaging up and over as if you're kind of shaping the line of your eyebrow. A frontalis muscle. And then I like to move up and down that little frown line area, erasing. We're also stimulating the Agya chakra here, third eye. And again, up and over. Always moving up and out. Widening the face. Again, as we age, often the face will want to narrow and droop down. So you just want to do the opposite. So up and out. And then the last one we'll do here is just to follow the contour of the eyebrow. So I like to get my thumbs in and go up and out. And this can help reduce a little bit of puffiness in the eyes when we wake up. Get over to the temple, finish at the temples, temporalis muscle. And breathe and smile. And some of the most beautiful faces of elderly people are covered in smile lines, and you can see the years of smiling and facial expression. Some really beautiful faces of elders. And this is to celebrate aging. You know, celebrate those faces and celebrate aging, because not everyone gets to age. We look to age gracefully, taking care of ourselves. A peacock has just landed in the tree. So finish off again, up and out. A little bit of tapping. Breathing deeply here, preparing yourself for the day. A day full of grace and ease and flow. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to check out some of my other videos and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll show you those peacocks.